And the Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs Cabinet Secretary, that is Hassan Joho, says the government is rolling out new measures to ramp up fish production and deepen its contribution to the country's food security. Meanwhile, local fish feed producers such as Tunga Nutrition General Manager Harrison Juma are calling for tax incentives on imported fish feed inputs and enhanced support for local raw material production to grow fish production.
So government is building these market spaces, government is building storage facilities, creating landing sites, value chain, the entire value addition. Like for example, we just awarded a $1.7 billion contract on the Lake region to build 7 new landing places with refrigeration, with basic processing of from our fisher folk. But for as long as we don't look at the entire value chain to a point where the fish is consumed, whether locally or internationally, we haven't gotten it right.
Protein sources, but also if you go to energy sources, these are your cereals, so like maize and wheat. Even those, we don't have enough. We get maize from Uganda, we get maize from Tanzania. And all these build up to the cost of the feed at the end of the day.